Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will explain about configuration firewall filter chain input. The chain input has a function to handle data packet that enter the router. Chain input is used to limit incoming packet from the client to the proxy router. This is topology design I use for the configuration. The configuration steps. Enter a command interface print. In here I use Ether2 for connect to client. Next, configure the IP address with command IP address add address. In here I use 192.168.10.1/24 interface Ether2 and check with the result with command IP address print. As you can see that we have successfully added the IP address. Next, setting the IP address on the laptop to connect to router. Click Property, choose IPv4. In here, change the IP address which is still the same network as the router IP. Here I use 192.168.10.2. In here, delete then add server. Click OK. After that, make sure the laptop is connected to the router. Do ping to IP gateway with click Windows R on keyboard. Ping IP gateway. Press enter. And the result is replay, which means client has been connected to router. Next, configure the firewall filter to block ping packet from the client to router by using the command IP firewall filter add chain input SRC address 192.168.10.25 until 192.168.10.35. Protocol ICMP in interface Ether2 action drop. In here I use chain input used for packet that enter the router. As SRC address, IP client you want to go to, protocol ICMP which is used to block ping packet. In interface Ether2, which means interface that leads to the client laptop, and last action drop, which means drop used to drop package. Next, here I change the IP address on the laptop. I use here the IP 25, which is the IP address that was previously configured by the firewall filter. Click OK. Click Status. As you can see, the IPv4 address has been changed to 10.25. After that, do a test ping on the router IP. Open Windows R. Do a ping gateway. And the result is request timeout. Because previously we have done a firewall filter, meaning the packet has been blocked. Next, I will do a remote on PuTTY using Telnet. Open PuTTY. Choose Telnet. Enter the IP address. In here, use IP gateway. Click Telnet, use port 23. Click Open. Login using admin. Enter. It can be seen here that I can remotely use Telnet because only packet ICMP are dropped, while to access the router using Telnet, the packet is used TCP. If I change the IP address on the laptop to 40, click OK, and do a ping test again on CMD. Ping to IP gateway 192.168.10.1, and the result is replay. Because we're only block the IP address 192.168.10.25 until 192.168.10.35. So IP 10.40 is not included in the list of block IP address. Next, I will do a configuration drop protocol TCP. Configure the firewall filter to block ping packet from the client to the router by using the command IP firewall filter add chain input SRC address. In here I use 192.168.10.45 until 192.168.10.55. Protocol TCP destination port 23 with action drop. After that, check with the IP firewall filter print, and we can see that we have successfully configured the firewall filter with protocol TCP and destination port 23. Next, I will change the IP address on the laptop. In here, I change IP address to 45. Click OK. Remote again using Telnet with open PuTTY. Enter the IP address using connection type Telnet with port 23. Click Open. Wait. And the result will be connection timeout because the client IP address is 10.45 until 10.55 already dropped by the router. Click OK. Here, I change the IP address again to 10.16. Click OK. Open PuTTY. Choose Telnet. Click Open. Login again with user admin. And as you can see, it will look like this because we have changed the IP on the laptop. And that's all video from me about configuration firewall filter chain input. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.